Masters, General Evaluator and Toastmaster Pramukh in particular. I should say that your speech was a delectable speech with an excellent and brilliant message. You had a very powerful and a very strong message, and above all, you had a brilliant opening of the speech. You engaged the audience as you started speaking because you started your speech with a question, which is an excellent way of opening a particular speech. Usually, there are different ways of organizing the speech. His project was Project 2. It could be different approaches that one could choose to organize the speech. For example, a few of the most prominent ones are chronological way, that's a sequential arrangement, or it could be spatial, based on different locations. You could organize your speech accordingly. It could be comparative, wherein you take a particular subject and do a comparative analysis, speak about pros and cons of the subject. It could be topical, wherein you state a point, that's the main point, and then go ahead with the sub-points and support your sub-points and the main points with the supporting material. You could choose a causal way of speaking, that is giving the cause and effect of a particular topic that you have chosen to prepare your speech. Or the last one could be the problem and solution oriented way of speaking. So out of these different approaches, you chose the topical way of speaking. That is, you chose a particular main topic or the main content to give, which was to give. And after that, you supported the main point with the sub-points where you said to give, one should first listen to friends, be specific about the purpose, have gratitude. So these were the sub-points, and the main point was give. So these were the sub-points which you again used quite a lot of supporting materials from that were the experience from the daily life to support these sub-points as well. So this was an excellent way of approaching the Project 2, wherein the primary objective was to organize your speech. So you have done complete justice to this. So I should congratulate you for that. May I request you all to give a big round of applause. If I may give you a few suggestions, they would be, the first one is, you used quite a lot of times you use the word you know, which made your speech sound very informal. Maybe the seriousness of the message was not percolated down to the people because of these extreme usage of these words, these filler words like you know. So if you could avoid that, it would set a new benchmark for your speech. The second suggestion, if I may give you, is you could avoid the usage of notes, because this is a Project 2. So if you put in a bit more amount of preparation, then I am very much confident that you could deliver a speech without using the notes. Apart from these two suggestions, if these two suggestions are taken care, I feel the speech was excellent because of the following positives that I noticed in your speech. That is the confident demeanor in which you gave your speech, the smiling face, the empathy that you brought when you are delivering your speech, the message that was contained in your speech, the way you articulated your speech, and the way you engaged with the audience. So I congratulate you for successfully completing the Project 2. I look forward for more speeches from you. Thank you.